Home security is a top concern for families in Crestview, Florida, a close-knit community where residents value peace of mind, especially when it comes to protecting loved ones and property. While most homeowners focus on alarms and surveillance cameras, one of the most critical aspects of home security often gets overlooked: proper door installation. Doors are your home's first line of defense, but even the strongest door won't protect your home if it's poorly installed. Whether you're building a new house, upgrading an old door, or replacing one after storm damage, the quality of your door installation directly affects your home's safety and overall security. Why door installation matters for security. A strong, secure door is only as effective as the way it's installed. Improper installation can leave gaps, misalign locks, or weaken the door frame, making it easier for intruders to force their way in. In Crestview, where tropical weather and seasonal storms are part of life, those gaps can also allow moisture and wind to enter, leading to long-term structural damage. When installed correctly, an exterior door should fit snugly within the frame, latch securely, and resist tampering or impact. Professionally installed doors help prevent forced entry, ensure deadbolts and locks align properly, maintain structural integrity in storm conditions, improve energy efficiency by eliminating drafts and air leaks. Common security risks from poor door installation. Here are some of the common problems that occur with improper door installation, and how they compromise your home's safety. Misaligned locks or hinges. If the door isn't aligned properly, deadbolts and latches may not fully engage. That gives intruders an easy entry point with little resistance. Weak door frames. A poorly anchored frame can be split or kicked in, even if the door itself is strong. Reinforced frames and proper hardware are essential for holding the door in place under pressure. Improper seal. Gaps around the door provide not only a security risk but also a way for pests, water, and hot air to enter your home. This weakens security while increasing energy bills. Loose or missing hardware. Screws that are too short, improperly placed hinges, or missing strike plates all reduce the effectiveness of the door in protecting your home. The role of professional installation in Crestview. Crestview homes face unique conditions due to the Gulf Coast climate, from high humidity to occasional hurricanes. A professional door installer in Crestview understands these local factors and ensures your door is properly weather sealed, impact resistant, and securely mounted. Licensed professionals also follow Florida's building codes, which require certain exterior doors to meet impact-rated or hurricane-resistant standards. This is especially important for front and back doors, which are most vulnerable during storms. Choosing a professional installer also guarantees correct door sizing and frame preparation, use of high-quality, weather-resistant material, secure installation of deadbolts and multi-point locking system, warranty coverage for both the door and installation, and enhancing security with the right door feature. Beyond installation, the type of door and its components play a big role in your home's security. Consider these features when choosing a new door. Solid core or steel doors. These provide greater resistance against forceful entry than hollow core options. Reinforced frames. Look for metal reinforced or composite frames that can withstand greater pressure. Smart locks and deadbolts. A professionally installed smart lock system adds another layer of convenience and security. Security glass inserts. If your door has windows, opt for laminated or impact-resistant glass. Final thoughts in Crestview, where safety and family values go hand in hand. Protecting your home starts with the basics, like a well-installed door. Proper door installation is an essential part of home security that ensures your locks function correctly, your home is protected from intruders, and your family stays safe during severe weather. If you're replacing an old door or upgrading for better security, don't take shortcuts. Work with a trusted local professional to ensure the job is done right the first time. It's a smart investment that delivers peace of mind and lasting protection.